Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here, and here we have unboxing the Emerson Pro Series, and no, I'm not going to put it up, because I'm just in a rental place right now, and I just want to check it out first before I put it back and such, like, because I'm going to test it at home, at my other place, so. Alright, here it is, it's brushed steel. I opened the box already so I can check out what it is, so, anyway, so I'm going to put everything back to where it goes, so just so I can do this, blades, instruction manuals, blade arm, 5, down rod, blade arms, canopy, mounting hardware, light kit, bulbs. So let's count. So here's the blades. Instruction manual, blade arms, show you what they look like. Kind of angling up a little bit, I don't know why. Blade arm. Sometimes Emerson has a reputation of doing that for some reason, but it's kind of weird. More blade arms, which are covered, protected, protect and serve. Light bulbs, candelabra bulbs. Light kit right here. That's the components. Balancing kit, if fan wobble has excessive wobble. Blade screws. Bobs are in here too, so let's put everything back because I'm not going to do a full unboxing. I'm not going to do a full unboxing. This is a sort of unboxing, so I'm going to count which pieces go back. So that's motor, bowl. So I'll show you the motor. Here's the motor right here. This is a 153 by 15, I think, or 12 to 15, I think. Got the Emerson tag right here, so it's funny because Emerson was kind of weird because look, you could install this fan without the light kit, like right here. So let's take a look at the motor. Tune on it, make sure. Well. But yeah, that's the Pro Series. I'm going to put it back in the box because I'm not going to put it up. I'm just going to do a brief unboxing. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. And this fan is brushed steel, by the way.